Howdy, Ellen Weatherholt again here at the Tulsa Botanic Garden. So now is the perfect time to start your fall garden. And one of the very easiest crops you can grow are radishes because many of them are very fast and you will get a harvest within a month. So the first one that I've got is actually a much slower growing radish. This one is a watermelon radish, and I would recommend planting these right away. Actually, just last week I planted these in my garden at home. So hopefully we'll get a crop. This one really likes the cool weather, which is why I'm recommending you plant the watermelon radish now instead of in the spring. And then we've got the Daikon radish. This one is often used fresh or pickled in many different Asian cuisines. It's very crunchy and delicious and quite sweet. There's not a lot of heat to this radish, so it's one of my favorites just because it's just not as spicy as some of the other radishes. And this one also is a really good one to start in the fall. It really loves that cool weather. So if you start the Daikon radishes now, you should have a beautiful harvest by about end of October, Thanksgiving. So that's a really fun one. And then the rest of these are pretty standard radishes. We've got Rudolph. It's a beautiful red crispy radish. And this one will make a crop in about a month to 45 days. So just take this home, put it in the ground, and you will have radishes in no time. And we've got French breakfast. From my research, the French breakfast radish is a little bit sweeter and not quite as spicy. So it might be better if you have kids that are a little pickier, or maybe you are pickier. So these I'm really excited to try in my garden. I'm going to take these home this week and plant them. So those are in our gift shop. And then also one of my favorites to grow is the Easter egg blend. The colors are really pretty on these. It's just like the picture on the package. They're shades of pink and purple and red and white, and they're just like the most beautiful thing that you've grown. So I would highly recommend radishes. They're very simple and they're fast and they're great roasted or fresh. And then last but not least, we have rat's tail variety radish. And these are actually not grown for their roots like these other radishes, but they are grown for their tops. So what you're going to harvest off of these are the seed pods on the radish plant itself. So I've never grown these, but with my research, it shows that they're quite tasty in salads. Many people just pick the little seed pods and eat them fresh, then put them in a stir fry. Lots of different ways to eat those. So just an interesting variety that we found and we put in our gift shop. So radishes are a great way to get a fast crop. So go to anywhere you get your seeds or visit our gift shop and get some radishes because fall is the right time to grow them.